What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making pasta salad. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need tricolor rotini pasta, mini cubed ham, shredded Colby Jack cheese, a cucumber, a red onion, grape tomatoes, ranch seasoning, zesty Italian dressing, seasoned oil, garlic powder, and onion powder. Begin by boiling the pasta until al dente. Once the pasta is done, add it to a bowl and allow it to cool. Dice a cucumber into fours. Slice grape tomatoes in half. Next, dice a half a red onion. Now it's time to assemble the pasta salad. Add cucumbers, tomatoes, and red onion into the bowl with your pasta and give it a good mix. Next, add 2 cups of shredded Colby Jack cheese. Add 8 ounces of mini cubed ham. Add 1 pack of ranch seasoning and season the taste with seasoned oil, garlic powder, and onion powder. Mix well. Next, add a half a bottle of zesty Italian dressing and mix. And there you have it, pasta salad. Once again, we hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.